The DJI Mini series has become a staple for drone enthusiasts, especially for beginners. Its compact, user-friendly design has made it a go-to for hobbyists and first-time pilots. But after the Mini 4 Pro's release, many users felt the upgrades were minimal, leaving them questioning whether the price jump was truly worth it. Now, with the DJI Mini 5 Pro on the horizon, anticipation is building. Could this be the breakthrough that fans have been waiting for? In today's video, we're diving into the latest leaks, expected features, and what might make the Mini 5 Pro stand out from the rest. Let's get started. One of the biggest challenges DJI faces is balancing power with portability. The Mini 5 Pro is still expected to be under that 250-gram mark, which allows users to fly without an FAA license in the US. But how do you pack a bigger battery, better camera, and advanced sensors into a drone that light? It's a delicate dance, and DJI will need to pull off some engineering magic to ensure they don't cross that weight threshold. While we're all hoping for groundbreaking upgrades like a larger sensor, they have to keep the weight in check to stay within that sweet spot of no license required flying. One of the biggest upgrades fans are buzzing about is the camera. Word on the street is that the Mini 5 Pro might come equipped with a 1-inch sensor. That's a huge leap from the 1 by 1.3-inch sensor we saw in the Mini 4 Pro. What does that mean for you? Well, a larger sensor could massively boost image quality, especially in low-light conditions. Imagine sharper details, richer colors, and better dynamic range when capturing those golden hour shots. And while we'd love to see a resolution bump, rumors suggest DJI is sticking to their formula, prioritizing sensor quality over sheer resolution. However, the potential for 4K video at 60, even 120 frames per second, could easily make this drone a powerhouse for creators looking for that cinematic touch. Now, let's move on to some game-changing features. First up, AI tracking. We've all had those moments when we just want our drone to follow us smoothly, whether we're on a bike ride, chasing a car, or even capturing a fast-moving sports event. The leaks point toward improved AI tracking in the Mini 5 Pro, allowing for more accuracy when following fast-moving subjects. This is huge for action shots and professional content creators. But that's not all. The inclusion of 5G connectivity could be another major upgrade. With 5G, we're talking about faster, more reliable real-time control, sharper live feeds, and better range when flying. So, if you're looking for seamless control and real-time precision during your flights, 5G could be the next-gen feature that sets the Mini 5 Pro apart. Of course, one feature that every drone pilot values is flight time, right? We've seen up to 40 minutes on a single charge with the Mini 4 Pro, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to match or even improve on that number, despite all these new features. That's great news for anyone who loves those long, uninterrupted flights. And then, there's the possibility of more advanced obstacle avoidance sensors, intelligent flight modes like active track and master shots, and even time-lapse or hyperlapse enhancements. All these features are shaping up to make the Mini 5 Pro a well-rounded drone for beginners and experienced pilots alike. As for when we can expect to see the DJI Mini 5 Pro, if DJI sticks to their usual release pattern, we're looking at a possible launch around November 2024 or maybe early 2025. While these upgrades might seem incremental, the combination of a better camera, enhanced AI, and 5G could make the DJI Mini 5 Pro the ultimate drone for anyone looking to level up their aerial photography game. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be an ambitious little powerhouse, delivering professional-grade features in a package small enough to fit in your backpack and light enough to stay legal without a license. Will these rumors hold up? Only time will tell. But if DJI manages to pull this off while staying under the weight limit, they could very well redefine the category once again. What do you think? Are you hoping for a massive overhaul, or do these leaks already have you excited for what's to come? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.